Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to compress a video without losing its quality. So if you have a video that has a large size, you want to share it, but it doesn't work because the size is too big. You want to compress this, but you're worried the quality will be compromised. But I'll show you how you can do it without compromising the quality. So first you can see the size of this video. Then I'm gonna show you how you can do it in a compressed mode. So what you have to do is you have to simply search for VLC media player. If you don't have it, you can simply download and install it from your website. Then you have to click on this option and then you have to click on this option convert. Once you get there, you will see this window will open and now you have to simply select the video that you want to compress. Once you have selected, at the bottom you will see the option for the convert. You have to click onto it and after that this window will open. Then you have to go to this profile section and in the drop down menu you have to make sure you have selected this option H265 MP3. After selecting it, you have to click onto that settings icon which is along with it and this page will come up. Now here you have to make sure that MP4/MOV is selected into this option and after that you have to click on video codec. In the codec you have to make sure that H264 is selected and after that you have to go to this option resolution. In the resolution you have to keep its size to 1 and then click onto this option keep original video track. Once you're done, then you have to go to this option audio track. Then in the codec you have to make sure mp3 is selected and the bitrate is set to 128 kbs. Once you're done with all that, you have to simply save it anywhere. You can select where you want to save this compressed video. Once it gets saved, and after that you can compare the size with the original one. You can see the size of this original one and this compressed one. Here the quality has not been compressed. You can play the video and you will see the quality will be same. So that's how you can compress a video file without compromising its video quality. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.